Welcome to the Polished Phoenix, the home of nail art, product reviews, tips and tricks and more.
Hi, check out my nails. This is my favourite package every month. Wow, one off. I get a few. It's Sparkle Supplies VIP box. I want to dox myself there. Righties. So these are $12.99. Oh, I've just got a right shiver. They are Sparkle Supplies UK. The lovely Lorraine. Honestly, check out the website. She does some stunning nail art stuff. That's where most of my glitters are. And this one, this glitter that I used in this set is from there. That was in my advent calendar. So she's on Insta, TikTok. She has a group on Facebook. The website is sparklesuppliesuk.co.uk. There's her email and her phone number. And if you have any problems, she's really, really sweet, and she always gets back to you. So December VIP box, yay! Right, get me a little cutter. This came while I was doing another video. I nearly stopped the other video and then just so I could see what's in it. Here we go. So you get a little box. Now all of these items are new releases and they don't go on general sale until 2 months after. So this will be February, I think. Yeah, the 7th of February. So if you order these, they get sent out the 7th of every month. If you order anything at the same time as you order these, they all get sent at the same time, 7th. So if you're expecting, if you want to order something and you order it at the same time, then obviously it's not going to get sent out straight away. So just be aware of that. So these boxes are $12.99, but I do have a 15% discount code, which is Phoenix 15. And where's my little card gone? Oh, Phoenix 15. I'll flash it up on the screen, and it's in the description box anyway, and I'll link to the VIP boxes. So you get a little list of what is in it and how much it will be when it goes on general sale. She put a little note on this one. I made a mistake in the November VIP box because I added in Sea Sand, but this wasn't Sea Sand. It was 90s Rave from the October VIP box. So apologies for this. I have now added Sea Sand to this box. Oh, so we get Sea Sand in this one. Yeah, we did have two that were really, really... I was looking at them when I was organising and I was thinking, I'm sure that's the same, you know. Okay. So the foils, leopard, like leopard, but leopard. Can't go wrong with animal print ever. So it's got like a bronzy shimmer, but it's not full cover. It's kind of like, so you can see through, and it's gorgeous. Now the foils you always get a metre. And they are, oh, she does some amazing foils, and her foil gel, if you've not tried it, try it. If you struggle with foils, give that a go. It is an absolute game changer. It's $7.99 a bottle, or you can get one with a few foils as well. On like a little offer, you get mystery foils. It's the best, the best. So we've got that, and that will be 99p. Foils are always like that. So this is Sea Sand. And it's a gorgeous. It's a very fine. Do you know what? Where's all my little tubs? I'm slowly running out of Well, no, I have run out of my little thingies. So I've got these are old acrylic tubs, my CJP, because I had some 10-gram ones, and then I bought the bigger pots, so I just poured these in. So I've kept these to use for my glitters. So I will put the name of it under there, and I'll stick sparkles on the top. And then we will pour it in and have a look so you can see it a little bit better. So yeah, I always try to reuse stuff where I can. I don't like chucking things. I've got so many bloody charm tubs. You know when you buy those little 12 slot charm things from Temu and that? I've got loads of them because I've transferred all of them into, what am I trying to say? Into a bigger charm box. So I've got little ones on my days. So you've got like a iridescent green shift in there as well. It's really fine gold glitter. That is gorgeous. If I remember rightly, this was one of her unique mixes, so that's probably going to be about $1.99, something like that. It's not on that list because this was supposed to be in the last box and I didn't keep the price list, unfortunately. But there are some like clear iridescent flakes in there. Isn't that gorgeous? You can see why it's called sea sand. So there's that one. Put the lid on so it doesn't go everywhere. And we have some more chain. Oh, smoke diamante chain. So it's 18-inch, $2.99 this is. Look at that. So it's a nice sort of like gunmetal backing with really like smoky grey diamantes. That is really pretty, and it's not a really chunky one either, but it's also really smooth. You know, when you run your finger over it, it's really smooth. So chain, it looks stunning on nails. And I recently seen a video of Sue, Nails by Sue. She encapsulated chain in acrylic. Never done that before. I'm going to have to try that. Then we have another foil. This was called Equid. Oh, the chain $2.99, and then the Equid transfer foil 99p. So that's more, I don't know. So it's like a zebra print, tiger print. That's a full cover one. So it's brown and cream. So that'd be a nice neutral background for anything over the top, or you could add your bling. Accent nail. It's nice. Animal print is just one of those that's always going to be used. Oh, here's my lollipop, cherry lollipop. I love these, you know, they are really nice. And then we got some little tubs. Oh, that lid felt a bit loose there. Oh my days. Right, so we've got Gazing, which is a unique mix, $1.99. Oh wow. Look at all of that in there. So these are like sequiny mixes. So we've got little hexes, we've got stars, hollow stars and full stars, and then you've got some really fine glitter in there, and that is gorgeous. That will look lovely encapsulated. And then this one is called Rose Sparkle, another unique mix. This one's £2.49. Oh, I love matte glitter. So we've got matte pink, iridescent black, there's gold dot. Oh my goodness, I love that one. That is really pretty. I love black and pink. If you've been here before, you know that. And I do really like matte glitters. I think that one was the one that was possibly leaking everywhere. I'm covered in it. And then, oh no, this one was loose. Tiara. Holographic flakes, exclusive to Sparkle Supplies. Oh my days, they're $3.99. Oh, oh wow, they are gorgeous. So on there you've got, it looks blue, in there it looks like a pale purple and blue and gold and green. So that's going to change no matter what colour you put it on. It's going to change colour. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. And that's called Tiara. Ooh, that is nice. That is nice. So altogether that box, if you bought individually, would be £13.44. But it was £12.99. You can subscribe, so it automatically just comes out of your bank and then gets delivered around now. Normally gets sent. I think it's because obviously we've had the weekend and that, and I know Lorraine's not been well lately, but I hope you're okay, Lorraine, and you know, thank you so much for carrying on with all these beautiful things. But yeah, so you can get 15% off. Use my code Phoenix15. You can use that on these boxes too. I have had loads of hauls from Sparkle Supplies. So yeah, you can go and view all of them. They're all gorgeous. I use her stuff all the time. And what was I going to say? It's gone. But yeah, so that was December, and these will be available from the 7th of February in 2026. I can't believe we're nearly in 2026. How fast has that gone? Oh, I don't like things going dead fast. But yes, anyway, so there we go. There's all the glitz and glam. So keep your eyes peeled for when I'm using the sparkles. And yeah, definitely go check her out. I'll link the website in the description box, and I will link the VIP box. And she has mystery boxes. You can get mystery glitters, mystery foils. She has multi like mystery boxes, so you have literally everything in there. They're coming like tier 1, 2, 3. So 1 being the cheapest, 3 being the highest. I've recently done a video on a tier 3, so check that out because it was packed with nothing but beautiful things, and it was well worth the money, well worth it. And yeah, I've gone through my sparkles and I do have a few doubles of things, so there will be something coming up soon, so keep your eyes peeled. I'm not going to put anything in any titles. I'll just say all of a sudden, right, who wants it? But I hope you enjoyed. Hope you go check her out because she really is lovely. Follow her on Instagram. You can message her with anything. She's just absolutely fantastic. I love her to pieces, and her stuff is just amazing. And I've got a code, so save yourself some money. And like I've always said about codes, because you're saving yourself some money, you can buy yourself something extra. Yay, everyone's a winner. Whoop, whoop. Just a quick one then today, so I'm going to leave it there, and let me know what one was your favourite, and I hope to see you in the next one. Love you loads. Bye bye.